चालू हो गया. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a very special unboxing. So those of you who are new here, I have this segment on my channel where I unbox budget sneakers, mainly sneakers that are more like a general release, which are more accessible, which are more easy to buy. And previously we have seen a lot of sneakers unboxed, like the Adidas Night Balls, and actually I don't remember all the silhouettes, Reebok Classic Leather Legacy and stuff like that. And a lot of you guys have loved those kind of videos. So as I used to do those videos, I always thought that we have to probably start expanding into probably some homegrown brands or some other newer brands which are picking up and who are trying to make as good quality sneakers as all of these international brands. So yeah, a lot of such brands do approach me to do such videos and bring forward their sneakers or what they are trying to do in the culture. But I don't really go after each and every one, because anything that I put out on this channel or I shoot in videos, it has to be something that I like personally and that I would wear it, and I wouldn't just simply put it out for a particular sum of money. So today is one of those days, as I have liked a homegrown sneaker brand, and fortunately they have recently launched quite a wide range of sneakers under their brand. So that is what we are going to be unboxing today. I will be showing you four of the silhouettes from their line, and not just that, all the sneakers in the budget unboxing segment that we have unboxed until now have mostly been about 7,000 to 10 to 12,000 rupees, because that's what the basic pricing in all these international brands are. But today, as against that, I'm going to show you these four sneakers that I spoke about, and the price range of these sneakers are about 2,700 rupees odd to roughly about 5 to 6,000 rupees only. So yeah, without taking any more of your time, let's just get into the video. By the way, the brand that we're talking about today is a Skating Monk. Here is their Instagram, and you will find their website also in the link in bio of their Instagram. So we'll talk about the brand a little more later. So coming back to the apparel, this is the hoodie that I'm wearing. This is from a Skating Monk. As you can see, minimal branding. The quality of the hoodie is really nice. It's not as thick, so it is absolutely wearable in India. Okay, so I'll show you a couple of more pieces quickly. Okay. So these are again track pants in the same color that matches the hoodie. So this is more like a track suit with a hoodie instead of a zip up track jacket. Moving on, you have this really nice jacket again from the brand. So this is a bomber jacket. I don't know if you can see it properly. Can you? Bomber jacket. Lastly, we have this sort of a jacket. I think this is a technical vest, if I'm not mistaken. So let me quickly show you that. It's really nice. I really like this. What do you think, guys? Alright, so sorry for taking some time. I thought I will just mention about the apparels because I got them and I really like them. I was not supposed to, but since I liked it, I thought I will share it with you guys. So you can probably have some more choices other than the top 5 Indian streetwear brands that I showed you in a couple of videos back. You should always advertise your own videos in your own video, This makes sense. Alright, here is the first one. And these are, now before we talk about this particular silhouette, I think let's just do one thing, right? What do you think? Let's put all the shoes on the table first, because I don't want some people to dislike a silhouette and then not give it time to watch the other silhouette later in the video. So let's just quickly unveil all the silhouettes that we have for today, and then we will talk about each shoe one by one. So let's put this on the side. So here are the 4 silhouettes that we are going to take a look at today. So let's go ahead and take a look at each shoe in detail, and I'll tell you a little bit about them. So the first ones are called the ASM Flames. As you can see, it has multiple components on the upper with the welded flames. These shoes are basically inspired by the 80s times, and the curves and the softness of the shoe brings out the fashion of late 80s and early 90s to your wardrobe. The sole is made of patent material, specially made for the light feel of the shoe, sourced by feather feet technology of Woodland. Now moving on to the next one, we have this silhouette which is called the Incomplete. The shoe is made with a heavy canvas and suede upper. The sole is in EVA plus rubber and is hand cut, which brings out the light everyday wear quality in the shoe. The design is laceless and showcases how the shoe is incomplete and still makes a statement. These particular ones are available in 4 colors, while the previous one, the flames design that we saw, is available in 2 colors. Now talking about the pricing, I will just leave that on the screen for each silhouette, so you don't have to worry about going back in the video and trying to hear again what did I say exactly about the price for each shoe. Moving on, the next one we have is obviously my favorite from the 4 silhouettes. These are called the tie-dye canvas highs. Now since a skating monk, that is the brand that we are talking about today, is based on the skateboarding culture from the late 80s, this is a shoe out of the basic skateboarding line. One of the most comfortable shoe while using the skateboard. Canvas tie and dye upper. This is what the crux of this sneaker is, but in plain and simple language, I think they are of very good quality. As you can see the midsole, as you can see the tie and design, the upper is of great quality. It feels great. By the way, this is the cheapest shoe in the lineup today, so which is why I'm stressing so much on it, because at 2700 rupees I don't think you can get any other brand or any other silhouette better than this. So yeah, this was the tie and dye canvas. Now moving on to the last one, again probably my second favorite from the whole lineup. So these are called the Lucids. A see-through upper to give you an open canvas and bring out your own creative style by using different colors of socks or whatever you want to wear inside the shoe. That is completely your choice. It just doesn't have to be socks, it could be something else, you may never know. So like I said, if you use different style of socks while wearing this shoe, you're going to come up with a new design every day you wear them. So which is the idea behind making this shoe in this certain avatar. So the outsole of this particular silhouette is by an Italian company called Fin Projects Extra Light, and that is what makes this shoe really premium, because once you will see the outsole in your hand and you will put the shoe on, you will then realize the premium quality that this particular silhouette is made in. Also, the name Extra Light in the Italian company is because this sole is actually 3 times lighter than any other outsole that is used on shoes. So this silhouette comes in 3 different colorways and retails for this. So let me quickly tell you a little about the brand A Skating Monk that we have seen all these products from. So basically the idea behind this name, A Skating Monk, was to highlight the calm in our minds and while tackling all the shit that life throws at us. So that is how this name, A Skating Monk, came up. Also, since we are talking about the brand, let me tell you a few basic things. They have a team of designers which are from different parts of the world, from Japan, from Italy, from British and every corner of the world. So they are trying really hard to make this happen. Also, one very important thing that they believe in is that streetwear is not for the rich, and in fact streetwear is for everyone. So which is why this is their kind of pricing, and the whole idea basically is to bring streetwear to everyone at really good and affordable prices. Now unfortunately I will not be able to show you each of these sneakers on feet looks because sadly they did not come in my size. But I will definitely try to do a follow-up in one of the other vlogs or some other video a little later, or I will just put them out on my Instagram or somewhere for you guys to have a look. In the meantime, what you can do is go and follow A Skating Monk on Instagram. Go check their website because all these sneakers and all these streetwear are already listed there for you to purchase, and I would definitely like it if you guys would go by my word and at least try one sneaker out, because I think they're really nice, and once you guys actually buy it and try it, you are not going to regret it. So that's all from me for today. These were all the products that I wanted to share with you guys in our budget unboxing segment, and I hope you liked the idea of bringing homegrown brands and expanding into a wider range of products instead of just sticking with only the international brands like we have been doing so far. So do let me know in the comments below what do you feel about this, and also I would like to know which of these is your favorite. Like I said, mine was definitely this tie and dye canvas at 2700 rupees only. So yeah, do let me know in the comments below and we can probably have a chat about them, or what do you feel about them. and you could also DM us Skating Monk if you want to know any more particular details about the shoe. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace.
के हाँ एक प्रॉब्लम हो गया।
अब क्या हुआ बहन?
StockX का टैग है कैप में।
ओह फक, क्या तू दिया है क्या? तू तेरे को दिख रहा है वीडियो में तो बोलता क्यों नहीं है यार? क्या